what's up? It's Goggles. Don't have my little tripod thingy. Yeah, I went to go fly the yard and fly this little park area, and it broke my damn fun drone. So I don't know what happened. I was just like literally like slowly ramping the throttle up, and then I heard a pop, and then it went and then into the ground, which I was literally just gonna do a video about like how flying over water makes a pucker aspect. Yeah, I'm glad I wasn't being dumb over the water. Well, I was dumb and over the water when this shit happened, but that's the last DVR clip. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's go do some dumb DVR trashy analog flying. So woo!
So
Alright, so here's the damage. I don't know what went wrong. It just popped and landed in the neighbor's fucking yard. Still got some dirt in there. I'll have to knock that out. But yeah, I guess on to our shout outs. Do it all fancy right here. Joe Photo Leo, Will CFPV, Bartman dude, I hope you're doing alright. I haven't seen you post. Oh my god, there's a fee. Oh, I'm scared. Safe Zone FPV, Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, Matty Blunts, Joshua Bardwell, XJet, Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman FPV, Zoe FPV, Granny FPV, Freedom FPV 84. Thanks for watching my dumb goofy YouTube channel. And yeah, I guess next time we'll go fly a quad that's doesn't turn into that when they fly it. So anyways, thanks for watching.